what daylight can't restore. No questions rise, no answers chase, just silver threads across my face. The water knows, it always knows where silence ends and stillness grows. I shed my maps, I shed my name, and let the current call my flame. I flow, I flow into the glow. Like mist through open hands, and leaves behind only what understands. The pebbles sing beneath the stream, a quiet hymn, awakened dream. The water knows, it always knows where silence ends and stillness grows. I shed my maps, I shed my name, and let the current call my flame. I flow into the glow. Carry me where the echoes sleep, where willows weep and secrets keep. No beginning, never an end, just river music round the bend. The water knows, it always knows where every broken moment goes. I am the drift, I am the gleam, dissolving slowly in the stream.